Welcome to Trailvia, the channel where history meets adventure. If you're fascinated by America's most extravagant homes, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm taking you inside 5 of the most stunning Gilded Age mansions in the United States. Palaces built by the country's wealthiest families, each with a story that shines as brightly as their golden facades. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Trailvia so you never miss a journey into the past. Let's kick things off in sunny Palm Beach, Florida at Whitehall. Imagine building a 75-room mansion as a wedding present. That's exactly what Henry Flagler did for his third wife, Mary Lily, back in 1902. Flagler, a co-founder of Standard Oil, poured his fortune into this Beaux-Arts masterpiece. Marble halls, grand columns, and rooms designed for the most lavish parties, Whitehall was the ultimate winter escape for America's elite. Today, you can walk those same halls and get a glimpse of what life was like for the Gilded Age's richest power couples. Now, let's head across the country to Portland, Oregon, and climb up to Pittock Mansion. Perched in the West Hills, this French Renaissance-style chateau offers panoramic views of the city and the Cascade Mountains. Henry Pittock, the newspaper tycoon behind the Oregonian, packed his home with cutting-edge tech for the time. Elevators, central heating, and even a walk-in fridge. It was the perfect blend of old-world charm and new-world innovation. When you stand at those windows, it's easy to see why Pittock chose this spot to build his legacy. Next up, we're traveling to Lenox, Massachusetts to visit the Mount, the home of legendary author Edith Wharton. Wharton didn't just write about high society, she lived it. She had a hand in designing every detail of her mansion, from the Italian-style terrace to the elegant library that housed her 27,000 books. Today, the Mount is a National Historic Landmark, hosting tours, book launches, and readings that keep Wharton's literary spirit alive. Heading south, we arrive at Kykuit in Sleepy Hollow, New York. This was the favored home of John D. Rockefeller, America's first billionaire. Built in the classical revival Georgian style, Kykuit is famous not only for its stately architecture, but for its incredible art collection, featuring Picasso, Chagall, Warhol. The gardens are just as impressive, filled with sculptures and perfectly manicured landscapes that make you feel like you've stepped into a European fairy tale. And finally, no list would be complete without the Biltmore estate in Asheville, North Carolina. The largest private home in America, Biltmore is a French chateau on a scale you have to see to believe. 250 rooms, 11 million bricks, and enough art and antiques to fill a museum. George Washington Vanderbilt called it his little mountain escape, but trust me, there's nothing little about it. These mansions aren't just beautiful, they're living time capsules, each with its own story of ambition, luxury, and vision. If you enjoyed this tour through America's Gilded Age, smash that like button, share the video, and subscribe to Trailvia for more journeys into the extraordinary.